Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look, 24 inches Faux Locs. I don't want to talk too much, but I have everything in this video, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to this channel. So yes, I'm getting ready to do my hair. I'm not gonna do a long intro. I'm just gonna show you guys what you guys will need for this video, and I will link everything down below. So yes, as you guys can see from the title, I am doing some Faux Locs. I have a pack of combs. I'm going to be using the one with the T, and I have some edge control. This one smells amazing. Smell it. Smells like you're in somebody's island. So this is what I'll be using to part my hair. These two, and then I'll put the edge control to make sure the parts are clean. The hair that I'll be using for today's video, I just got it in the mail. So this is like an unboxing. So it comes like this. It comes with a crochet hook. I got this hair from, I don't remember, but as I said, I'll link it down below in the description box. And I got 24 inches, and it came with 6 packs. 6 packs of hair. Oh, sorry, my hands are ashy. 6 packs of hair. It came with some little jewels, like crown, and then like a crochet hook. I should really put some lotion on my knuckles. Yeah, that's all that came in here. Let me bust this open so you guys can see how long it is. Okay. Once you take it out of the plastic, it comes on a scrunchie. And this is 24 inches. Okay, talk to me nice this summer. Yeah, okay, don't come with a scent. And then, yeah, so this is the dreadlock hair. And then the hair that I'll be wrapping my hair with is this hair right here. You guys can get this off of Amazon. This is Spring Twist 1B. I got this a long time ago. I was going to do some spring twists in my hair, but when I started it, I did not like it. So this is the hair that I'll be wrapping my hair with. So yeah, that is all you will need for this video. Please stay tuned. The next clip that you guys will see, I will be in the restroom and I'll be parting my hair. So just stay tuned. Alright guys, so first things first, I started off by parting my hair within 4 sections. I tried to make sure that my middle part is as straight as possible. After I put them in sections, I am twisting them up to make sure that everything is out of the way. Okay, so right here you guys see me, I tested it out to see which method I was going to go with. After I figured it out, I started parting it off. I ended up with 5 rows on each side in the front, and then I have the most 4 braids in each, and then you guys will see me continue to part. When you guys see me parting the hair, I'll put the edge control at the perimeter of the part, and then I'll start off with a braid, and then I'll end up twisting the ends. This is how your braids or your twist is going to look at the end. I'm going to repeat the same exact step around the whole perimeter of my head. Okay, so this is the finished product. I only have 2 dreads to do. As you guys can see, the back isn't as straight, but that is okay. I will crochet some dreadlocks in the back to hide some of the parts. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to do. So what I did, I just used the crochet hook. I'm making sure that the crochet hook is closed, and I'm going down. As I pull it down, I'm going to open up the loop on the dread. It is very easy. All you guys have to do is twist it the opposite direction. Make sure you guys put it in the hook, close the hook, and then you pull the dread through your braid. After you're done, you're gonna open up that hole again and you're gonna bring the dread and your braid through, and then you guys will see me tighten it. It is not tight on your scalp, it is perfect. Okay, so now that I have the dread and the braid together, I'm going to go in with the spring twist. You guys can honestly use Marley hair, but this is what worked best for me. I'm going to start by separating the hair just a little bit so it could have some texture. That's why you could use Marley hair, because it already has that texture. And then after I've fluffed it out a little bit, I'm just going to wrap it around the dread until my hair stops. After my hair stops at the end, you guys are going to see when I clip it, and it's going to look like a coil. You guys honestly can just spray the spray on there to keep it, or you guys can use a lighter like I did to make sure that it doesn't unravel by itself. Me using the lighter just melts the hair to make sure it stays in place, and then for extra security, I'm going to spray it with the ArmoTunez, and then I'm going to palm roll it to make sure that it is good and it's not going anywhere. Alright guys, so you guys are going to watch me do it all over again. I'm going to repeat the same exact steps, and then you guys can slow it down if you need to, but just put it through the hook to make sure that you guys aren't snagging your hair, and then you pull it through, and then you guys will watch me wrap it. Alright, so now that the style is done, I'm going in with some edge control to lay my edges, and then you guys will see me go in with my oil of choice, and then I'll spray the biotin spray on it to make sure that it is laying and moisturized. So let's get serious. When it comes to my hair, honestly, this edge control isn't working on my edges, so I have to go out and go buy some regular edge control, but it worked on my parts. And then you guys seen I just put the oil when I was done. It was easier for me to wrap the length of my hair and just leave the regular Faux Locs. I will definitely say this was much easier than the Faux Locs I did before. If you guys did not see that, it is in the description box below. When it comes to the total amount of hours, I would say this probably takes around like 6 hours, but I was taking a lot of breaks because I couldn't sit there, as you guys can see, I couldn't sit there and just in one spot and do it. I had to go watch TV, I had to eat, I had to talk on the phone. So please, if you guys are doing this on yourself, know that you need to like at least take a day off to do this. But yeah, I really love this look. I love this look. Don't worry, I will drop some styles to do with this hair. If you guys want to see how long my hair is, stay tuned for the end of this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to this video. Subscribe friends, let them know about Mesha Curlz with this summer protective style. If y'all didn't know, I have the vlogs out there. Everything is listed down below in the description box. The hair, where I ordered it from, how much it is, the products that I use. So just stay tuned for this summer series, and I will see y'all later.